Syrian.
Good morning, children.
Good morning.
Yes, good morning. So, how are you all?
How are you?
Happy and fine? How is your day today? Are you all feeling happy today?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Okay. So, children, shall we start our class with a prayer? Yeah? Join your hands, everyone. Our dear Father in heaven, thank thee for this wonderful morning. We surrender each one of us into thy hands. Dear Father, bless us, guide us, guard us. Give us thy spirit, give us thy knowledge, give us thy wisdom, so that we may serve thee. Dear Father, bless our parents, teachers, and all our friends and their families. Bless the hands who make food for us. Dear Father, bless all the people who are suffering from coronavirus and all the healthcare workers who are treating them. Bless and heal the world. We ask all these things humbly in thy precious name. Amen. Open your eyes, everyone. Yeah. So, children, shall we sing that song which we learned the other day? Peace,
Ma'am.
porridge, hot. Shall we do that? So everybody stand up and do it with action. Everybody stand up, stand up, stand up. Stand up, stand up, stand up. Yeah, let's sing that song. Ready? 1, 2, 3, start. Peas porridge hot, peas porridge cold, peas porridge in the pot, 9 days old. Some like it hot, some like it cold, some like it in the pot, 9 days old. 9 days old. If you're my friend, I want all of my children to open your mouth and sing it loudly. Yeah. Many of you are sitting there. Anna Princeton, this is the session for UKG. Please leave this session. Anna Princeton 1E, please leave this session. This is a class for UKG children. Anna Princeton 1E. Yes. Sam, please turn on your video. Okay, other children, everybody ready? Let's sing the song. Ready? 1, 2, 3, start. Peas porridge hot, peas porridge cold. Loudly. Peas porridge hot, peas porridge cold, peas porridge in the pot, 9 days old. Some like it hot, some like it cold, some like it in the pot, 9 days old. Shall we sing it loudly? Everyone? Ready? 1, 2, 3, start. Peas porridge hot, peas porridge cold, peas porridge in the pot, 9 days old. Some like it hot. Do the action. Some like it hot, some like it cold, some like it in the pot, 9 days old. 9 days old. Now shall we make it faster? Ready? 1, 2, 3, start. Peas porridge hot, peas porridge cold, peas porridge in the pot, 9 days old. Some like it hot, some like it cold, some like it in the pot, 9 days old. 9 days old. 9 days old. Yeah? Okay, sit down there. Children, yeah. Now all my children, let's sing one more song. What is that song? ABCD song. Shall we sing it together? ABCD, everybody. Today we'll learn Z also. Okay, so we will sing it together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, start. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now you know your ABC. Everybody sing with me. Pom, 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 pom. Shall we sing it one more time? Faster. Ready? 1, 2, 3, start. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now you know your ABC. Everybody sing with me. Say that. Now you know your ABC. Parne. Now you know your ABC. Everybody sing with me. Pom 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 pom. Pom 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 pom. When you say the last pom, jump. Pom 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 pom. Okay, Fahim. Next one. There is one more thing of it. Okay, see here. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Everybody sing with me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. X, Y, Z, sugar on the bread. What is it? Sugar on the bread. Sugar on the bread. If you don't like it, better go to bed. Okay? If you don't like it, better go to bed. Next Monday morning, come to school. I will teach you ABC. Okay? Next Monday morning, come to school. I will teach you ABC. Next Monday morning, come to school. I will teach you ABC. Yeah? There are different versions of singing it. Yeah? So practice ABCD song so that you don't forget. Okay? Even if you forget, you can sing it and get the letters in order. Okay, children? Okay. Now, today Nancy ma'am has come with the last letter. What is this letter? Letter Z, and we call it Z. Okay, letter Z is also called as letter Z. Okay, here this is capital letter Z, small letter Z, and the cursive. Now the cursive letter is not touching the papa line, it's touching only the baby lines and the mama line. Okay, yeah, okay. So what are the words for letter Z? Z for zebra, Z for zib. Okay, what is zebra? Zebra is a wild animal. Yeah, he has got the black and white stripes on the body. And what about the second one? It's the zip. Yeah, in your frock, mommy does she put a zip on your frock at the back? Yes. And the boys, when you wear the raincoat, you have a zip there. Even in your pants, you have a zip. Yeah. Yes. So that's called the zip. Okay, now I will show you how to write letter Z. Okay, I don't know what some of you are getting admitted. I think the network is wrong. Every time I keep admitting you, you are just still joining. Okay. Now I'm sharing you my screen. Everybody watch how to write letter Z. Okay, children, this is the capital letter Z and this is a small z. It comes only inside the blue line. Okay, the capital Z is inside the, see, it's sleeping line, slant, and the sleeping line. Sleeping and small. This is capital and the small z. Now we are going to write the cursive Z. Watch carefully. Start from the blue line, okay, and then make a down curve, okay, slanting down curve. Come down, stop here. Again, jump from here and touch the mama line, okay, like 3. Jump from that line, baby line, and jump to mummy's line. And then touch the mama line, go up and stop. Don't touch the blue line. In between, you have to stop. Yes, this is letter Z and a letter Z. See how you write? Okay, you have to start from here, make a down curve. Start from here, make a down curve and jump down. Okay, and once you jump down, go up and stop. Everybody write with ma'am. Z, 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 zebra, zoo, zigzag. Okay, this is letter Z. Letter Z. Can I see the ones you wrote? If you have finished writing, Aldrich Rixin, show me. Adia, Rahul, Eric. If you have written one time, show me. Nesta, bring it closer. Yeah, good. Eric, did you write? Eric, did you make it slanting? It looks like 3, Monu. Did you make it a down curve first? Did you start it from down like this and make it like that? Try one more time. I think he has tried with 3. Okay, the concept is correct, but put it little slanting. Okay. Jewel, good. Alankrita, good. Alankrita, the first Z was sleeping line. No? Next, the last one is correct. Yes. Alankrita, look like a baby. Yes. Adya Rahul, good. Jewel, did you finish writing, Molu? Show me. Gayatri. Oh, long time I have called Gayatri, right? Where were you? Put your book down, Gayatri. Let me see you. Ah, Gayatri is playing there. Behind the book, Gayatri is playing. Huh? Okay, Jewel, good. Rashin, yes. Aldrich, show me. Ah, yes. Aradhya, Rahul, Aradhya, show me. Adya, Rahul, show me. Aradhya, show me. Yes. Oh, nice Z, Aradhya. Adya, good. Drisha, did you write Z? I would like to see. Ezra, Advika, Pranav. Drisha, can you bring it a little more closer, Drisha? Did you make a down curve? It has got started with the sleeping line, right? Drisha's mummy, can you please correct her? Ask her to start like a down curve. Drisha, put your book down. Drisha, that Z is wrong. Like you have started with the sleeping line, right? Like how the capital and the small print is there. But now Drisha has to start with the slant. From down, make a down curve first. Okay? Slant and down curve. Then jump from there down. Try one more time, Drisha. Johes, Aiden, Sriveda, Vaiga, yes. Helen, good. Advika, Pranav, show me. Asi and Ashia, Aisha, are you there? Aiden, Jinal, good. Sriveda, Johes, good. Advait, what is happening there? Advait is sitting on the table like this. Show me the writing. Advait, sit properly. Fahim, show me. Okay. Dhyan Madhav, good. Sri Sham, good. Rick Saji, good. Now, Dave Sharon, good. Christabel Lijo, yeah. Amog, Catherine Maria Sam, Kasinath, please turn on your video. Rifa, yeah. Rifa, has that thing become a little sharp? Make it blunt, like a down curve. Rifa, it has gone sharp. Rifa's mummy, that is wrong. It is looking like 2. I will show you one more time. Sharing my screen, please watch. This is for Drisha and the child which I call now. Okay, see here, you have to start from here. Okay, make it little blunt. I'm gonna down curve, make it like a down curve. Okay, that plane, and then jump down and go up. Okay, Drisha, I think you had written like this. Yeah. And the other child whom I saw, she has made it sharp like this. This is also wrong. You have to make it a little blunt and bring it like this. Yeah? Now you got it? Yes? I think just because I said it looks like 3, they have tried on 3. Write it like this, children. Okay? Bring it little blunt. Okay? Yeah. So now what I will do is let's write the alphabets from A to Z together. Okay? Sharing my screen. Watch. So all my children, be ready with ma'am. Let's write together from A to Z. Everyone, don't forget to leave the one finger spacing. Okay, write with ma'am. A, B, C. Write fast, your bigger children. D. E. F. F will touch all the 4 lines. G. H. I. J. Anvin, write fast. I can see you. I can see your eyes. Write fast, Anvin. Ediko, did I disturb you? Sorry. K. L. M. Say and write. Parents, please instruct your children to say and write. Otherwise, when it is dictation, they are going to find it difficult. Everybody say and write. N. I'm a good girl. I say and write. You are bad children. That's why you're not telling and writing. O. Are you bad? No. All my children are good children. Say and write. P. Q. R. Yes. And when write fast. T. U. V. W. X. Y. And Z. Gayatri finished? Good. Excellent. Everybody, Gayatri, I saw. Put your book down. Alankrita, good. Finished? Wow, what a beautiful writing, Alankrita. Okay, stopping my share so that I can see everybody. Okay, Aiden Janil, good. Vaiga, wow. Did you write? Okay, next time I would like to see that in the 4-line book. Yeah? Okay, Nesta, good. Christabel, right? Alankrita, yeah. Esra, show me. Aradhya, show me. Ezra, show. Okay, good. Aradhya, good. Fahim, show me. Helen, good. I was thinking, where is Helen? I saw Helen now. Okay, Dhyan Madhav, show. Dave Abraham. Dave, show me Dave. Yeah. Bring it closer. I can see your face and the book slant. Dhyan Madhav, good. Dave, good. Yeah. Show me, show me. Asiya and Aisha. Christabel Lijo, good. Those are writing in the plain paper. Start writing in the 4-line. Okay. Asiya and Aisha. Whose book is that? You have written at least little. Continue writing. Continue writing. Continue. Continue. Advika Pranav, please turn on your video. Jennifer, show me. You're not in range. Adya Rahul, good. Joel, good. Rushing, show me. Shrisham, good. Okay, children. Thank you. Put your books down. Now let's do maths now. Okay. After that, we'll read the pictures. No, no, let's, all my children, if parents can help me with taking the book, textbook page number 63. They forgot to do that, picture reading. Everybody. Parents, please help your children take page, the term 1 textbook, page number 63. Everybody, take it. Yeah. Shall we read it now? Everyone, can I see your textbook with you? Here. Yes. Now start reading with the pictures. Z for zoo. What is zoo, children? Zoo is a place where animals are kept in the cage. Okay? They are kept inside the cage so that we can go and see them. Okay? If they are in the forest, can we see them? No. So only few animals are kept in the zoo. Yeah? So that for our entertainment, when we feel bored, we can go to the zoo and see all the animals. Yeah? Yes. So then next one, what is that? Z for zip. In your frock, mummy puts a zip, right? So that's called zip. And boys, when you wear the raincoat and all that, you have zips there. Next one, zigzag. What is zigzag? Zigzag is a zigzag line. See there? It's going the curve up and down and up and down. See there? Zigzag. Okay, and the last one is zebra. So repeat after me. Zoo, zoo, zip, zigzag, and zebra. I'm a good girl, so I always touch my book while reading. Shrisham, where is your fingers? Everybody put your fingers on the book. Yes. Now read. Z for zoo, zip, zigzag, zebra. Now ma'am will call out the word, you will touch and show me. Let's play that little game. Faster. Zebra. Touch and show me where is zebra. Yeah, Disha got it. Gayatri, did you touch? Next one. Zigzag. Where is zigzag? Next one. Zoo. Where is the zoo? Yes. Zip. Where is the zip? Yes. All are touching. Fast. Let's do one more time. Zigzag. Touch zigzag. Fahim. Where is zigzag? Next one. Zoo. Where is zoo? Zoo. Yeah. Next one. Zip. Where is the zip? Yeah. Next one. Zebra. Where is the zebra? Okay, thank you. Put your books down. Keep reading from the first page, okay, with the pictures. Now let's do the max. Okay, children. So what ma'am is going to do is, we are going to revise, recall the multiples of 10. Remember, we will learn 10, 20, 30, 40. Yeah? We are going to write that now, multiples of 10. After that, we are going to do the missing numbers also. So revise that too. Okay? So once we revise all this, and finish writing the alphabets, we will move to the second term portions. Got it? Yeah. Now I'm sharing my screen. Everybody watch. Okay. So everybody, let's write the multiples of 10. Okay. How do we write multiples of 10? 10, 20. Remember we rewrote like this: 30, 40, 50, counting in tens, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. What is this, children? So this is when my ma'am is asking you, children, write multiples of 10. Yeah? Write multiples of 10, or I may say you tens counting. Okay? This is how you write. How do we write 10, 20, 30, 40? Like that. Okay? So let's write together. Everybody, fast. Everybody write with ma'am. 10, 20, fast. 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Yes? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Finished? Everybody finished? Okay. Put your pencil down. Now watch the screen. Ma'am is going to show you the missing number. Yeah? Please watch. I'm going to write few numbers here. Dash, 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 dash. Okay? Okay. Now you will help me find the numbers, what comes here. Okay, children, all my parents, don't ask them to write. Ask your children to say what comes here. Okay, let's do the oral. I will do the writing, ask them to watch the screen. So children, this is number 5. What comes after 5, Joel? After 5 comes? What comes after 5? 6. Yes, so you will write number 6 there. Okay? 6. Okay. What comes after 6 now? Everybody say what comes after 6. Eric, what comes after 6? 7. After 7, it is 8. After 8 comes? After 8 comes? Gayatri. After 8? 9. Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then comes 10. After 10 comes 11. Yeah. So you are the police now. Okay. All my numbers are missing. You will help me find the numbers. Okay. What comes after 1? What comes after 1? 2. After 2? 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then comes 5. After 5? 6. After 6, it's 7. After 7 comes Alankrita, 8. Christabel, after 8 comes 9. Helen, what comes after 9? 10. Okay. Now can you see the number 10 here? Here also 10, here also 10. But you have to look here. Okay. After 10, after dash, 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 it is 1, 4, 14, then 1, 5, 15. Yes. Here you see 0. Okay. So after 10, what comes? It's 11. You have to count and see 11, 12, 13, 14. Yes. Now this is correct. So you have to write after 10, 11, 1, 1, 11, 1, 2, 12, 1, 3, 13, 14, 15. After 15 comes 16. After 16 comes 17. Okay. Yeah. Now see here also 10 is there. But here you see the zeros coming in between. So it is the multiples of 10. So after 10 comes 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. Okay? Yeah? Shall we write one more time? Children, numbers 1 to 30. All my children, will you write with ma'am? Yes. Take your pencil. Everybody, let's write. Let's write 1 to 30. Everybody, take your pencil and write with ma'am. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Write fast. 1, 1, 11. 1, 2, 12. 1, 3, 13. 1, 4, 14. All my children write with man. Say and write. 15. Don't close your mouth. You're not going to go to first standard if you don't say and write. Alankrita, write. 16. 17. 18. 19. 20. After 19 comes 20. I want all my children to say and write. Are you saying and writing? I don't find you saying and write. Many of you are writing simply, silently you're writing. So what comes after 20? Let's start with 21. Okay? 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Finished? Write and show me. All of you write 1 to 30. You have to write fast, children. Okay? Otherwise, I'll call you all babies. Are you babies now? No. You're all studying in UKG. Srivida finished. Good. Dev Sharang, Nesta finished. Alankrita finished. Good, good. Asya finished. Aisha, show me. Okay. Asya and Aisha's mummy. Okay. Which one is Asya? Which one Aisha? I get confused every time. Aisha? Okay. Asya, put your hand up. Asya, this is Asya. And Aisha, the other one. I get confused. Both are looking alike. Okay, Johees. Aradhya, good. Jewel, good. Adya, Rahul, yes. Vaiga, Ezra. Ezra? Yes. Ezra, put your book down. I would like to see your face. Ah, yes. Anvin, Eric, yeah. Adya, Rahul, sitting like a goody girl. Helen, Vedika, Vinish, yes. Dev Sharang, Mon Kanche Buka. Dev Sharang, Vaiga, I saw yours. Yeah. Vedika, yes. Right? Dev Sharang, I can see only the squares. Where are you? Yes. Vaiga, good. Yes, yes, I saw. Okay, all my children finished. Very nice to see you. Drisha, yeah. Alrich, everyone. Good. Okay, children. So let's write multiples of 10 and show me. Okay, write multiples of 10. I'm not writing. I would like you to write. I'm not writing. I want you to write. Write and show me multiples of 10. Write fast. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Write fast. Let me see how fast you can write. Isra, write. Your friends have started writing. Take your finger from your mouth, Ezra, and write fast. Rashin, I'm not able to see you. I can see only your ears. Ah, Ezra, Rashin, write. Ah, write fast. Are you writing in the 4-line? Write fast. Rashin's mummy put him in front of the camera. I can see only his ears. Okay. Christabel finished. Wow. Shriveda finished. Good. Vaiga finished. You children are really fast. I didn't know you all can beat me fast. Vaiga. Yeah, Nesta. Very nice. What are you all eating? Boost? Horlicks? What are you all drinking? So much energy. Your hands have become very fast. Vaiga good. Asya good. Aisha good. Advika good. Dave Abraham. You're standing. Show me your writing. Shrisham good. Ivania Rose. Ivania, did you write? Show me Ivania Rose. Jewel, yeah. Finished, Ivania. Okay. Catherine finished. Catherine Maria, yeah. Kasinath, Vaiga, yeah. Amog, good. Dev Sharank, yes. Aiden, Dhyan Madhav, yeah. Thank you. So parents, I'm sending you the homework. Make them write the multiples of 10 in the max square notebook, and also one page missing numbers is coming. Let them do it as like a test, okay? And you make them write, okay? And then the Z for today. And please keep reading the textbook with the pictures. Yeah, children. In the next class, we will be writing the picture, the first letter of the picture. That's what we are going to do. Okay. So for that, I want you to get thorough with the picture reading. Okay. So see you all in the next session, children. Stand up and say thank you, ma'am. Okay. Bye-bye. See you all.